Hey y'all, it's Linda. Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be another Boxycharm unboxing. So Boxycharm is a monthly subscription service. I just get the base box, so it is $25 a month for 5 full-size beauty products. If you're unfamiliar with how I do my Boxycharm unboxings, here's how it goes down. I'm going to take a look at last month's box. I'm going to pull out all the items and tell you how I used them throughout the month, and then let you know whether or not I would have paid $25 for that box knowing what I know now. Then I go into this month's box not really knowing what's inside. I have my husband take a look at the card inside, which tells you all the products, and he will let me know what kinds of items are in there. That way I know what I can come on camera with, because the rest of this I'm going to put on my face for you. As always, 2 quick caveats. Number 1, I only use cruelty-free beauty products, so if an item in the box is not cruelty-free, I'm just going to put it right aside for a friend. But also, if I can take a look at an item in the box and know that I'm going to use it just once for this video and then never again, I'm not going to use it. I'm going to put it aside for a future giveaway for all of you, because I would rather you have some new products. But if this is your first time here, hi, my name is Linda. I am a cruelty-free YouTuber, and I put out several videos a week to help you decide whether or not makeup and skincare and hair care is worth it. Whether it is drugstore priced or luxury high-end priced, I want you to spend your money wisely. If you're into that, please consider subscribing, give this video a thumbs up, and hit that notification bell so you can be notified every time I post a new video. Let's take a look at last month's box. You know, when I opened it, I was pretty impressed. So I did use these items throughout the month, and let me give you my thoughts. The first item was the Elemis Superfood Glow Priming Moisturizer. I have used this a ton. I like to use this in 2 ways. I'll use it under makeup, or I will use it on days where I don't feel like wearing any makeup and I just want my skin to look a little bit better. I really enjoy this. I don't think I will repurchase it though, and here's why. I feel like this is kind of the lesser cousin of the Charlotte Tilbury Hollywood Flawless Filter. That is my go-to for, again, wearing under makeup to get that glow, or wearing on days when I don't want to wear makeup. I feel like that is a better quality product. So while I do really like this, and I am going to use this all the way through, I don't think I'll be repurchasing it. That doesn't mean it wasn't worth the money to me in the box, but just want to give you my honest thoughts. My rings somehow got stuck together. Okay, thank you. Next was the Luxie 5-piece brush kit. I love this. I love Luxie brushes. I just cleaned these for you all, so I don't look like a dirty pig. You're not seeing the rest of my brushes. But anyway, I love these. I used these all month, every single one of these. There's not a single dud in here, so I am thrilled to have these in my collection. Then there was the huge surprise for me that changed everything. Trying not to be overly dramatic, but it kind of did. So this is the Caliente palette by Artist Couture. I had never used any Artist Couture products before, other than, I used a Diamond Glow highlighter, but that was only okay. But this blew me away. The quality is beyond amazing. It is just so damn good, pigmented, and just beautiful, not patchy. The reason I say that this changed everything is because I put Artist Couture now on the list of brands that I want to try more from in 2021. I'm going to go ahead and link that video in the description box down below if you want to see what other brands I talk about. But this palette is the one that switched me because it's so beyond amazing. The other 2 products I do not have anymore. One of them was a MAC lipstick, and MAC is not a cruelty-free brand, so I put that aside to just give to a friend. The other one was Banana Powder by Ofra. Now, the reason I put this aside is because I am not a banana powder girl. Like, I rarely powder my face in general, even under my eyes, because I do have wrinkles there. So a lot of times if I powder, it can easily look cakey, and I don't know, it's just not personally my thing, but I know it is such a popular product that people love. I did give it away last month in one of my giveaways, so one of you all has it now, and I'm so glad that I can pass it on, and I know it's a good product. It's just not a good product for me. Okay, knowing what I know now, would I have paid $25 for these 3 products? 150%. I would have paid $25 for any of these just by themselves. So the fact that I got all this for $25, just blown away. I love all of these items. I'm going to continue to use. all of these items. All right, it is time for this month's box. My husband did tell me that I could come on screen, I could clean my face, and that was it, is what he said. And he said that's because there's some skincare of some sort in here, but he wasn't sure the order I do my skincare. He just knows that it was not face cleanser. So first, I am going to look at the card. I just look at the theme. It is Fresh Start. Now, again, Boxycharm themes used to mean something, like if it said disco, there would be like glitter in here or something. Now, I don't think they care. I think they're just making shit up. But let me tell you the variety of the box I got. What? So there's usually like a number in the corner, like 32. So I can tell you I got variety 32. This time I got variety C21010113-BA. Cool story, bro. All right, the very first item is a palette. Oh, okay. So this is by Voss. It is the Olive You Forever palette. And what stinks is that I think you guys know I love olive green tones on my eyes. Voss is a weird brand though. They're one of those brands that on their website and on their Instagram page, they're like, we're cruelty free. But they don't have any certifications. And whenever anyone kind of asks them more in depth, like, hey, can you confirm that you do not sell products in China? Can you confirm that none of your third-party vendors or your ingredient vendors source products that have been tested on animals? They never reply to anyone. I have even personally reached out to them several times to get more clarification. They've never once written back to me. So I can't confirm that Voss is cruelty-free, so I'm going to pass this on, which bums me out because I'm assuming there's not going to be another eyeshadow palette in here. This retails for $34, so I'm even guessing that this is the big item in the box. Little bummed to start off with, but let's keep going. The next item is bubble wrap. Okay, so bubble wrap is cruelty-free. Just kidding. The second item is... Okay. This is by Pharmacy, and this is the Daily Greens Oil-Free Gel Moisturizer with Moringa and Papaya. Ooh, okay. I love Pharmacy. Every single thing I've tried by them, I have absolutely loved. And oh, I'm curious to see what this looks like. So as you can see, this is a gel moisturizer. It's very, very jelly. I mean, I don't know how to describe it, but I love this kind of moisturizer. So yay, I am very, very curious to try this today. Love Pharmacy, and this is probably a pricey item. So the Pharmacy Daily Greens Oil-Free Gel Moisturizer retails for $38. So, ooh, this is a big one. Yay, okay, we're good. The third item is, what is this? Dragon Duo by Queen Studio. So they are certified by PETA. I've never heard of this brand, but they are certified as cruelty-free. What is this a duo of? Interesting. So we have a pencil black liner and we have a liquid black liner. Okay, that's fine. I'm always down to try new liners. Black liners, I use them every single day, so I'm always down to try, and this is a brand I haven't heard of. We're doing pretty good here. The fourth item is by Seraphine Botanicals. This is the Apple and Balm Glow Lip Mask. This is a brand I am not familiar with, so, oh, there we go. Look, they are certified as cruelty-free as well, and this is vegan. So a nice lip mask. That sounds pretty awesome. Oh, by the way, the Queen Dragon Duo retails for $28. This retails for $25. Wow, we're in an expensive box today. And the very last item is, wow, this is huge. Avant Biphase Hyaluronic Acid Rejuvenating Micellar Water. Interesting. So you can see that it does separate a bit here, but I like the fact that it has all these good ingredients in it. You know, it has hyaluronic acid, but it also has Brazil nut, which is a good source of antioxidants such as vitamin E and B. Okay, I'm always down to try a new micellar water. So what I'm gonna do, I don't have any makeup on to take makeup off, and I know you can also use this for cleansing, but I will go ahead and do like swatches on my hand of something, and then we'll see how well it takes off with this. Maybe I'll do it of the liquid liner and see how easily it comes off. Okay, so it turns out that we can use the moisturizer, I can use the lip mask, I can use the micellar water, and the Dragon Duo. So I don't have any colorful makeup, but I'm not necessarily upset about that because there's some new brands in here, and that's something I really like about Boxycharm, is discovering new brands. So the very first thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take off whatever lip balm I have on, and I'm gonna put this lip mask on. Ooh, that smells so good. It smells like apples. This is very watery. Interesting. So this is a much thinner consistency than I was expecting. It's almost like a gel. but it feels really, really nice and it smells so damn good. Okay, I just hopped off camera real quick and I did my toner and my serums and my under eye cream, all of that, so that I am good to go in with the Pharmacy Oil-Free Gel Moisturizer. I'm gonna take my little spatula and I'm actually gonna take it off the lid because there's quite a bit just on the lid. And then I'm going to apply this. It has a very fresh scent. I don't know how to describe it. It's almost earthy. It feels like it is sinking in nicely. I might have put a touch too much on, and if so, that's on me, not on the brand, because with gel moisturizer, such a little bit goes a long way, but this feels really good. It's sinking in very nice. And the smell has gone away. I do still smell the lip mask, and the lip mask feels really nice, but okay, this is sinking in really fast. It's really nice. Okay, happy with that so far. So since I technically didn't get any other makeup other than the black eyeliner duo, I'm gonna hop off screen real quick and I'm gonna do like all of my makeup and I'll be right back. Okay, I have on eyes, I have on contour, I have on cheeks, but let's go in with this Queen eyeliner duo. I'm first gonna take the pencil liner. It looks almost like a gel liner, like a gel pencil. Can you wind it up? No, so you do have to sharpen these, but I do want to try this on my waterline, so, and I'm gonna tight line as well. So it feels very smooth and it is going on dark, but not as opaque as I'd like. It's a little hard to tell, but it is not as black as I feel like it should be. So in blending it, quite a bit did kind of come off. I don't know how well you can see. Let me get close and show you the inside of my eyeball. I know you don't like that. So if you can see, it's like, it's not completely opaque. It's not as opaque as I really want it to be. It still looks good and it's still nice and dark, but it's okay. Next, I'm going to go in with the liquid liner. This does look like a felt tip. I'm just gonna shake it down. It does have the little shaky ball in it. And I'm gonna do a cat eye, and I can't talk while I'm doing a cat eye because I fail at them 90% of the time, so fingers crossed. While that's drying, I'm also going to do a swatch on my hand of both of these so we can test this micellar water in just a little bit. You can see here what I'm talking about with the pencil liner. It just is not as opaque as I want it to be. The liquid liner though, however, is like perfect. It is beautiful and it went on really smooth. Kind of impressed with that. All right, so before I do lips, I was gonna go ahead and wipe off the lip mask, but to be honest, it has sunken in completely and my lips feel really, really nice. Like there's no residue left behind. So I would really like this, I think, for doing makeup just how I did it. You know, doing my skincare and letting this just sit on my lips while I do everything, because I always do lips last. And then at the very end, applying your lipstick to just some very hydrated lips. It feels really nice. 2 thumbs up. All right, for the very last thing, I'm going to take the Avant Micellar Water. It does have a nice little squeezy top, and I'm going to, whoops, spill it everywhere. That's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna see how well it removes these. Oh, okay. So I can actually feel the hyaluronic acid in here. This is very moisturizing. Whoa. Okay, I'm really impressed actually. So obviously you're supposed to shake before use to combine the 2 phases. I really enjoy this. Oh my God, it feels so nice. It feels really hydrating. So, okay, let's go over the January box. I'm not gonna lie, when I opened this box, again, I looked at everything and I was kind of underwhelmed. I was like, great, a black liquid liner and another micellar water and oh cool, a moisturizer that's from a brand I love and oh, okay, there's that eyeshadow palette that's not even cruelty-free, like cool. But to go over each item, starting with the Violet Voss Olive You Forever palette, again, I did not use this. This brand, I really want them to come forward and tell us definitively that they are cruelty-free. I don't like it when brands are sketchy about it. You know what I mean? You either are or you aren't. And there are a lot of brands that aren't, and they just kind of stand by that. And they're like, we're not saying we're cruelty-free, but this brand is like, yes, we are. And then we're like, really? And they're like, so I am putting this aside. The Dragon Duo. So this retails, what is this, $28, I believe? $28. I like these. I actually really enjoyed this liquid liner. The felt tip made a really sharp point. The pencil. So I know it seems maybe that I was disappointed with how it was not opaque black. And to be honest, like, I prefer an opaque black, but this went on so smooth and creamy that this could be built up a little bit. It felt really nice going on. So I feel like if I were to maybe pack a little shadow on top of this, I could absolutely work with this. I like this way more than I was expecting. The Pharmacy Daily Greens Oil-Free Gel Moisturizer. This is a hell yes for me. If you have not tried any pharmacy products, I highly encourage you to. Yes, the price point is not the same as the drugstore, but I feel like it really is worth it. Like, you saw how little I took on that spatula, and I could have used half of that amount. This is just an amazing product. I really like it. I'm curious to try it through the month. This retails for $38, which I think is very reasonable. The Seraphim Apple and Balm Glow Lip Mask. I really like this too. I have never even purchased a lip mask before, but I really did like this. Like, I was fully expecting at the end of my makeup being on to have to like wipe off the excess or whatever it is, but all it did was really sink in and moisturize my lips, which I don't know why that surprises me. I feel like that's what it should do anyway, but I've used lip products in the past before where they just kind of sit there. This sank in and really feels like it moisturized within. I'm really impressed. And this retails for $25. So this is not cheap. This is a very little container, but I used such a small amount and it worked that well. I mean, worth it? And finally, the Avant Hyaluronic Acid Rejuvenating Micellar Water. I love this too. My skin feels so moisturized. Like, as opposed to the other hand, it feels like I put lotion on my hand. So if it's gonna be on my face like that, I mean, like, I'm blown away. I'm blown away. And this retails, oh shit. This retails for $90. $90. No. Don't ever pay $90 for a micellar water. I will say that, but it does feel really nice. But don't pay $90 for a micellar water, but it feels really good. The total retail value for this month's box, $215. Let me remind you, I paid $25. So I did not use the Violet Voss palette, but knowing what I know now, would I have paid $25 for all of this? Very much so, yes. And again, when I opened this box, I can't even tell you, I was really disappointed. I was like, there's nothing I can do here. There's no fun makeup. I love everything I tried. This is why I love Boxycharm, introducing me to things that I would not have tried on my own. As always, please comment down below. Let me know what you got in your box this month. I am dying to know if it was this good, because I think that they always have a lot of variations. So tell me what you got in yours. Oh my God, I'm looking at this and I'm surprised. I'm really surprised this month. That is it. If you enjoyed this video, I would love if you'd give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. You all can follow me on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. Those are all GlitterFallout. And as always and forever, you are super freaking rock stars. I love you so much with my whole heart, and I'll see you on the next video. Mwah. Bye.